It's sunny and it's raining. Happens quite often on the island. Sun and rain at the same time. The big dark clouds up there. And I got sun here. My stuff is getting wet, but oh well. Island living. I have a lot of deer in my yard, and for the second time since I've lived here, I've have a sick deer hanging out in my yard. The last time I had a sick deer was about 3 years ago. It was by itself. It was a young one, and it had poop all over the back of its legs. You can see its bones, and it wasn't scared of us anymore. And eventually it just disappeared. I phoned the wildlife conservation number for my town here, and they gave me a provincial number to call, so I called the provincial number, and the guy treated me like an idiot. I told him I thought you'd like to know just in case there's something going around in the deer, but he just said there's nothing you can do. So anyways, he just disappeared. Now we have another one with the same symptoms, but she is hanging out with her sibling, her twin, who is healthy, and he seems to be looking after her. So I'm not calling the numbers I'm supposed to call because nobody's going to help.
my pool water. To drink my pool water that has salt in it.
I think that one got hit by a car.
Yeah, my pool water has salt in it, and I feel they drink salty water in my pool.
Yeah, its hips or something wrong with his back legs. Hips. Like it shits all over his back legs.
Yeah.
If that's not normal because it's got the runs. The bones are. Oh my god. Yeah, that thing's sick.
I just feel like my ankle.
And as you said that, it went rabid and it started biting people. And then we all got sick. And then we started going rabid and biting people.
What
And
is
the
that?
zombie apocalypse got begun.
Well, you can't really tell, but it's the summer solstice, the first day of summer. And it's pouring out. It's been raining all day. Here's my cherry tree that we dug out of the middle where our house is going. Thankfully, since it's been raining for like the past week or so, this thing has made it. We dug it up, it was looking good, and then we got extremely hot, unseasonable weather, and half the leaves went into fall and turned yellow and fell off. But the leaves that are left, oh, and all the cherries fell off too. It was full of cherries. So I'll show you where it came out of. It came out of there. Right there. I haven't seen our deer today, but I hope it's all right. So I've been told by a few people, sometimes when they have poo all over the backs of their legs like that and look like they're having problems with their kind of like, in general, they could have been hit by a car. So I don't know. So what I've done is just make sure I keep our kiddie pool full of water so it could come and drink. The deer really like our lawn because we haven't mowed it. And we have lots of stuff they like to eat. So, and I put extra chicken feed out, so it's been coming for that. I haven't phoned wildlife because, as I explained before, they won't do anything about it. And we can't just put it down ourselves, like get one of our hunting buddies over because it's a doe and it's out of season, so you can go to jail for doing that, even if it's like that. As opposed if it was like on the ground dying, it'd be all right. So we're getting a new house, and it's a recycled house. They're going to be bringing it down a driveway, backing it down a driveway, and putting it on blocks in that hole. And then we're going to build our foundation and drop the house down. It's going to be awesome. And this used to be my garden. I had a nice circular driveway with the garden in the middle. And the funniest thing is, there's this one plant you see here. This is Jerusalem artichoke. Yeah, so you can eat them. People call them sunchokes, so it's just taking this dirt pile over. So we made an accidental garden. It's going to be nice. The deer have been eating some of it up at the top, though. They stay under the top and eat it.